So I started with this white picket fence and this black chalkboard that I believe I got from Michael's. And I took the black chalkboard and I hot glued it to the back of the white picket fence. And the chalkboard just happened to be the perfect size. And then I had these artificial herb plants that I got from Christmas Tree Shop for $2.99. And I just glued those to the bottom of the fence. When I saw these at the Christmas Tree Shop, I just had to have them. And they were kind of plain being displayed by themselves, so I thought it was a good idea to attach them to this picket fence. And then I found this butterfly from Dollar Tree, and I removed the colorful center part, and I took the butterfly and using some floral wire, I just attached him to the top of the fence. And once he was on there, I took some jute and I just tied a little bow in the center of the butterfly. Now, I think it looks nice like this, but I had this stencil from Michael's, and it had the names of the different herbs. So I took this small chalkboard, and I took the one that said Herb Garden, and using some Snow Owl paint from Wise Owl and a foam dabber, I just dabbed over the stencil. Now, sometimes there is some bleeding, so I just took a little Q-tip to correct it, and I'm just connecting my letters here and just cleaning it up a little bit. And then I just attached that to the other side of the fence. And then we just set it on top of this galvanized tray that we got from Hobby Lobby. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found over on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com, and you can catch some other tutorials over on our YouTube channel. Have a great day.